All right, so me and Shoang just got here. Turns out the road is closed. So now we are going to bust a mission. Our goal is to kayak this pond, go out, find a spot to land, and then get out, and then walk to the trout pond. So we will see how that works. All right, man, you ready for this? I know you are. I said we just go straight too. Let's not waste any time. Yeah, we could do that.
I feel like it's a little shallow here, but when we start the pond, we might not be able to paddle out.
Yeah.
I came one day and skunked out. I really came back the second day.
I don't know if I'll come back, especially in a place like this. You want to push it in? Oh, I like that. Come on. Yeah, kinda, but not really. It's not working out, bro. It's not working out. There we go.
Got a little warm. I had to go take a bath.
Alright, so I'll explain the situation.
It got a little warm, so we decided to come fishing. We're at Sycamore, trying to get into the trout pond, but there's no way down.
Struggles got real. Alright, so I think we found a launch area. Let's see how it works. We could do that. Shaki. Let me position myself and then come get yours. Alrighty, so here we are, our destination. Yeah, bro. Alright. Colin? Already? There we go.
Dude.
Pretty big? Yeah, that's what I want to see right there.
It's worth it now.
Pretty big, huh?
We're gonna get to use that skill after all. Ooh, big mama, dude.
All right.
Eat that.
Whoa, man. Grab it. Yeah. Turn this way, Showing. Turn it a little this way.
Look at that.
All right, let me get out the scale. All right, let's get an official weight. Dude, that's gotta be like 4 or 5 pounds, dude. All right. Don't get the gill. Don't get the gill.
I like measuring in the gill, but you know.
Turn this way.
4'6", dude.
4'6".
4'6".
Look at that monster.
Look at this baby. Oh man.
Look at that. 4'6".
Alright, let this mommy